So here's my native climbing rose, my wild climbing rose story. As you can see here, this is one plant, but look at all these beautiful blooms. Nothing in the middle. This is where the plant roots are, but it's climbing and it's wild, so it's spread out. But one of the things, well, the main reason this is such a special flower to me, or plant, this specific plant, is because 4 years ago I bought this plant and we buried our family dog right underneath here. Don't worry, the family dog was 10 pounds. But the first rose, these gorgeous roses, the first rose that bloomed today, and I don't mean today, I mean June 30th, 4 years ago. And that's my anniversary, my wedding anniversary. And today is my 25th wedding anniversary. So every time I see these beautiful pink flowers, I think of our amazing family dog, Brownie, and I think of my amazing marriage. Ciao.